Question. P.S. If a to the power of 4 is smaller than b to the power of 4, then which of the following must be true? Option 1. 1 over a is greater than 1 over b. Option 2. A squared is smaller than b squared. Option 3. A cube is smaller than b cube. Solution. Cross cases, both negative and positive numbers. Be careful of the reciprocal. Always be careful when dealing with negative numbers, including the cross multiplication cases, which are related differently to positive numbers and negative numbers. If we are given that a is greater than b, then 1 over a is smaller than 1 over b will not be true when a is greater than 0 and b is smaller than 0. However, if a is greater than b, which is greater than 0, or 0 is greater than a, which is greater than b, then 1 over a is smaller than 1 over b will be true. We are required to find the options that are true if a to the power of 4 is smaller than b to the power of 4. Let us modify a to the power of 4 is smaller than b to the power of 4. Then we get a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is smaller than 0, or whole of a squared minus b squared times whole of a squared plus b squared is smaller than 0. Now, a squared plus b squared will always be positive, and therefore, a squared minus b squared must be negative. So we get a squared minus b squared is smaller than 0, or a squared is smaller than b squared. Thus, option 2 has to be true. Option 1. 1 over a is greater than 1 over b. Let a equals negative 1 and b equals 2. Then, a to the power of 4 equals negative 1 to the power of 4, which is smaller than b to the power of 4, which equals 2 to the power of 4. However, 1 over a equals 1 over negative 1, which equals negative 1, which is smaller than 1 over b, which equals 1 over 2. Using cross cases, be careful of the reciprocal. Thus, this option is not always true. It is important to consider the cross multiplication cases where both negative and positive numbers are given. Option 2. A squared is smaller than b squared. As seen above, this option is true. Option 3. A cube is smaller than b cube. If a equals 1 and b equals negative 2, then a to the power of 4 equals 1 to the power of 4, which is smaller than b to the power of 4, which equals negative 2 to the power of 4. However, a cube equals 1 cube equals 1, which is greater than b cube, which equals negative 2 cube, which equals negative 8. Thus, this option is not true. Only option 2 is true, and B will be the correct answer. Answer B.